Now, if you're looking for some unique gifts that are food related for that foodie in your life or even for yourself, you're going to want to pay attention to where we went next.
Coming from San Diego, California, my name is Jordan. I work at Crazy Shirts. And a little bit about Crazy Shirts, you're gonna see a wall behind us is our specialty dyes. They're gonna be dyed in coconut, Kona coffee, beer. We brought back our chocolate, our volcanic ash over here. And we also have chili peppers, which is cool, our hemp dye. And they're already pre-washed, so you don't have to worry about the bleeding. There's no cracks or peeling because they went through a color fast process. And there's threading around it as well. So 100% comb cotton, minimal shrinkage, not too much. And we are a company from Hawaii. We have a lot of stores in Oahu, Maui, Honolulu, all etc. over there. Our warehouses are in Colorado. So yeah, I hope you guys decide to come shop with us.
If you're looking to bring back something sweet for one of your children or for that person in your life who has a sweet tooth, then you want to stop at the Something Sweet shop. Sometimes it's not sweet you're looking for, but spicy. And if you're looking for that gift to bring back for the spicy foodie in your life, have we got a place for you to stop at? Even Santa was getting in on the action. Yeah, there was a lot of bottles of hot sauce, but there was so much beyond that that was spicy. They had spicy beer bread. Check that out. Spicy candy. All kinds of peppers and spiced condiments and jerkies and nuts, everything for that spicy person in your life.